Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and put your apartment for sale or rent on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already by going to craigslist.org, and from here you are going to be greeted by this main page. So you can select your location at the top of the screen if it hasn't been selected automatically, and from here in the upper right corner you can access your favorites and your account options. So using the account option you can go ahead and log into your account that you need for posting an ad or sign up for one if you do not already have one. So once you have logged in, now we can get started. We can go ahead and put up our apartment for sale or rent by clicking the post an ad option right here in the upper left corner. That's going to enable you to post an ad, and this is going to enable you to select what type of posting this is. And here you have service offer or for sale by owner or housing offer. So you're going to select housing offered, and then we can choose a category: rooms and shares, apartments, housing for rent, whatever you want. You can select this, and now you can go ahead and get started posting an ad. So here you have the posting title, and you can go ahead and select the city or neighborhood it's in. You can select the description and so on. Any other info and detail that comes along with the house you can select right here. And once you're satisfied and you are ready to put up the ad, just click the continue button right here. By clicking continue, it's going to enable you to confirm the placement, and that's how to place an ad on Craigslist. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.